ओम श्री महागणपतये नमः। ओम नारायणाय नमः। अद्य त्रयोदशः ध्यान श्लोकः विष्णुसहस्रनाम। ब्रह्मण्यं सर्वधर्मज्ञं लोकानां कीर्तिवर्धनम् लोकनाथं महद्भूतं सर्वभूत भवोद्भवम्. Now, word by word meaning Brahmanyam. Brahmanyam is a person having a knowledge of Brahman. It is not the Brahma of Brahma, Saraswati, Vishnu and all. Knowledge of Brahman. Sarva Dharmagyam. Knowledge of having all dharmas. Him. Dharmagyam. Lokanam. Of all the lokas. Kirti. Kirti is all knowledge, good knowledge. Kirtanam we say in English, that is in songs, Kirtanam. Kirti is a all composite word for goodness, for service to others, dharma, dhanam, charity, truth. Everything is a kirti, means is a positive, total, composite word for goodness only. Vardhanam, one who increases this. One who increases kirti. Loka natham. Loka, world. Natham, one who is the natha, one who is the leader. Loka natham, him. It's all Dvitiya Vibhakti, him. It refers to the him. Mahat bhutam. Mahavino, it's a big, great. And bhutam is the beings like us. We say we are all made of panchabhutam, or beings, trees, rivers, animals, stars, galaxies, all these bhutams. Him, bhutam means bhuta, bhutam, him. Who is the Mahabhutam? He is the biggest bhutam of all the beings. So he is the Mahabhutam. Mahat bhutam. Sarva bhuta means of all the bhutas, bhava, the being, becomes udbhavam. He creates. He manifests. He is the creator. He produces. He becomes. Bhava, you should understand, it comes from the, I will come to Panini's grammar. So he understands he is all bhutas, beings, he is the udbhavam. He is a creator. Now let us see what is the Panini's grammar here. Brahmanyam, a person, him, who has the knowledge of Brahma. Brahma's knowledge is not a Brahma, Saraswati, Vishnu. Brahma's knowledge is absolute knowledge. It is not the knowledge in our modern Vyavahara Ritya. It is not in the practical world. The knowledge what we have is Einstein's physics. If you take E equals mc squared, it is a Maya, knowledge coming out of the Maya. It's not the absolute Maya. It is all unreal, because when the world is coming to an end, all this knowledge will go away. They all are perishable knowledge. Though some may not agree with me in because they are in the reality of things, but they are covered by Maya. But Brahma is an absolute knowledge. It is a knowledge where you have only non-perishable, imperishable knowledge. So that is Brahmanyam, and one who has that Brahma Vidya, Atma Vidya, Sarva Dharmagyam. Gya. Gya is the root for Gya, means knowledge, knowing. It's a root in Dhatuhu, in Sanskrit Vyakarana, Panini's Vyakarana. So Gya, Gyani, you say, no? Agyani, Gyayeyam. Like that we say we should know. Gyapayami, I will make you know. From Gya, a lot of words can be generated. So Gya means a knowledgeable fan, and Gyam means who has that knowledge. Who has what? He is a Sarva Dharmagyam. He has the complete knowledge of all the dharmas. That is all the meaning. Lokanam. Lokanam is a Shashti Vibhakti. Lokaha, Lokasya, Lokayoho, Lokanam. Ramasya, Ramayoho, Ramanam. It's all Rama Shabdaha only. Lokanam, Bahuvachanam, of all the worlds. Of all the worlds. Kirti, I have told you, it's nothing but composite word. Kirti is a shabda, independent shabda of Sanskritam, and Vardhanam is Vardhana, Vardhanam. So it increases the Kirti. It's a complete goodness. The him who increases the goodness. Vardhanam, Lokanatham, Lokasya Natha. We are very easy. Lokasya means again Shashti. Sixth vibhakti. Ramasya, Lokasya. Lokasya Natha means comes from, is a leader, is a king, is all powerful. Natham, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Him who is the Lord of the world. Lokanatham. Mahat Bhutam. I have told you Mahabhutam. Bhutam means against Dvitiya Vibhakti. Mahat Bhuta, Mahabhuta, Mahabhutam. Him who is the biggest in all, of the bhutas, of the beings. Mahat Bhutam, biggest, greatest he is. Sarva, all. Bhuta, the beings. Bhava, becomes is the correct word. Bhu dhatu. Bhava comes from the dhatu bhu, means becomes. And bhava udbhavam. Him who, udbhavam means who creates, who arises, who procreates, who arises, we can say, who becomes the arisen factor of all the bhutas. So he creates, the creator present in all the bhutas, sarva bhuta bhava udbhavam. So bhavodbhavam becomes bhava udbhavam. Bhava means becomes. It's from the word bhu dhatu, and udbhavam is one who is arising, one who is creating. Udbhavaha udbhavanai. Him, the creator of sarva bhuta, whose presence, who energizes all the bhutas. Is the artha. So it is all just adjectives on Mahavishnu. As Bhishma is going and going on telling shloka after shloka, Brahmanyam, that is the knower of all the Brahma, knower of all the dharmas, and of the lokas, he is the Kirti, he is the composite increaser, he increases, and he is the Lord of the world, Lokanatham, he is the biggest of all in the bhutas, in the beings, and he is the all, every bhutas, he is the creator, he is the energizer, will be a very good word, Udbhavam, energizer will be a very good word. So he is the person who energizes sarva bhuta, all the bhutas. He is he becomes the energizers. Bhava, bhu means becomes. Bhava means becomes. And bhava plus udbhavam, bhavot bhavam. Okay, my dear friends, I have communicated the meaning of the 13th shloka. And shwaha milamaha and bhuyat tavat shubhamangalam. And Dhirgaishman Bhava, Dhirga Sumangali Bhava, Sarva Vyadi Nivarana Praptirastu, Sarva Aishwaryam Abhivriddhir Bhavato, Sarva Mangalani Bhavanto, Tadhastu, Tadhastu, Tadhastu.